This video showcases a Dragonfly machine embroidery design created using faux leather and water-soluble stabilizer. Hoop only the stabilizer, and I prefer to use non-woven types. Stitch the dragonfly wings using the basement stitch, 2 color decorations, and outline. Imagine how beautiful it would look in pink or lilac tones. Once the wings are finished, pause the machine, take the hoop out, but don't unhoop the project. Rotate the hoop to see the backside. You'll need 2 leather pieces for the project. Lay one piece at the bottom, with the wrong side facing you, and tape it in place to keep it flat while stitching. Make the decoration around the dragonfly and its body. Before the last color, lining tack down, pause the machine, and lay the second leather fabric piece wrong sides together, with the right side facing you. Tape it in place, and complete the design. Cut out the project just along the edge. The most pleasant part of the project is washing away the stabilizer.